Y'all, it's raining so hard. Like, oh my god, I had to freaking like come from school and like, look, my shoes are all wet. My pants and my hair, bro. My glasses. Oh my god, my hair is so messed up. But like, I didn't expect it to rain that much, and now I have to freaking go home in the freaking rain. It's terrifying. Bye. Terrifying. Like, I can't even freaking see. So I have to go like really slow, and I can't. But like, oh my god, it's terrifying. And my hair is like really messed up because I had it in a bun, and then I had to take it out because I had to have a hood on, but my hood didn't do anything. And now my bangs are just like, ugh. Wish me luck. Bye. Made it home. It's pouring out there. My hair's all messed up, but it's really scary out there. It's like really pouring. Like, but yeah, that's it. Bye. Love you.